All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So opposite. Opposite. Yeah, contrasting something. Opposite. Yeah, up and down. Left and right. Forwards and backwards. Opposite. So, we are opposite the building. There's the building, and we're opposite it. I think it is in the opposite room. This room, the one opposite. Yeah. How can we get to the opposite side of the road? Not so sure. Opposite side of the road. How cool is that? They were all opposite. They are nothing like each other and are opposites. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I am the opposite to her. Yeah, we are so opposite. We are just not alike. We're just completely different. We are opposite. We are opposite. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, just we are opposite. Yeah. They might be the opposite in the future. So as people grow up, they might become the opposite to what they are today. They will grow and change. Maybe even be the opposite to what they are now. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Opposite. Now, can you use opposite in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.